Hi everybody, you are animal lovers. Have you ever helped poor animals? I believe you've done so before. Please take a look at the following cases of animal rescue.
A poor dog was abandoned on the road, and it seemed that it had to survive on its own for days and months. It looks pretty weird in this form. Its coat is too long, covered with dust, fleas, and lice. A kind person decided to take the dog to a spa to have its coat refurbished. First, they will have to use a trimmer to cut off the hair to avoid attracting fleas and lice. It's terrible because there are so many lice and parasites on the dog. It seems like it will be difficult and time-consuming with this thick and dry fur. The spa staff is very skillful and careful with the trimmer so that the dog does not get hurt and scared. The old fur cut is too long and thick. If not careful, it will be mistaken for a part of its body. I can't believe my eyes. It's the dog's tail hair. The fur is 3 times thicker than the tail. And finally, we'll use the trimmer for the first part. The dog looks so relieved with the new coat. I totally didn't realize this was the original dog. After cutting the coat, the dog will be bathed. The fleas will also be washed away. And now it's time for the dog to relax. The spa staff will fix some of the remaining hair. I really admire the skillful hands of the spa staff here. They help the dog look so dashing. Thank you again to the girl who took care of the dog, and very glad that the dog has a nice new owner. A nice guy saw a dog with a very large tumor wandering the street. He decided to help the dog cure that tumor. The large tumor in the abdomen made the skinny dog very difficult to walk. First, he tries to approach the dog with food and talk to it. But it's not easy. The dog is scared and doesn't want anyone to touch it. The boy had to put sleeping pills in the food to take the dog away while it slept. After eating, the dog continues to roam and always avoids people. The boy persisted in following the dog all the way. Waiting until it is sleepy will bring it to the clinic for treatment. Finally brought the dog to the hospital. Hope the dog will be saved. The tumor is so large, it is natural to remove it, but it is still hope that it has not spread to other organs. The doctor quickly went to X-ray and did a blood test for the dog before it woke up. And the dog will have to stay in the hospital for treatment. The boy tries to talk and stroke the dog so that the dog is no longer afraid. Always encourage the dog at all times. I really admire the kind heart of the boy. More surprisingly, the dog's friends are always around. Today, the dog is about to enter an important surgery. My goodness, the tumor was successfully removed. Currently, the dog is relaxing and in good health. The next day, the dog can eat and drink normally. Now the dog can run and play with the boy as if to say thank you to him. This is probably the most touching video about human love and compassion for homeless animals. Thank you for what you do. It's sincere. One dog was rescued in critical condition. It is unknown what happened to the dog, as it lay motionless under a drain. The dog was quickly brought to the hospital. The dog was admitted to the hospital in a state of many wounds, extremely low temperature, difficulty breathing, fever, blood loss. The doctor quickly washed the wound and injected the dog with medicine. After an X-ray, it was found that the dog had a broken hip. But currently, surgery is not possible because the dog's health is very weak. Continuous bleeding, diarrhea, and nausea. The tired dog can only lie down. The doctor tried giving the dog yogurt because it can fight nausea. The next day, to my surprise, the dog was able to sit up on its own. Let's pray together that the dog's health will be better. But no miracle happened. Then the dog passed out, his whole body cold as ice. My feelings right now are hard to describe. The dog can't be saved anymore. So sad. The doctors tried their best, but its small body couldn't resist. So poor. Today's video has come to an end. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel to watch the next interesting videos. Goodbye and see you again.